Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coffee grinders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just looking to upgrade your morning cup, I've done the research to help you make the best choice. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Electric Coffee Grinder. At just $17.95, this is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It's a compact and lightweight grinder that can handle not just coffee beans, but also spices, grains, and nuts, making it a versatile tool for your kitchen. Its heavy-duty stainless steel blades grind beans in about 10 seconds, which is impressive for its price point. The design is straightforward, with a clear safety lid that lets you monitor your grind size in real time. However, the small 1-ounce capacity means you'll need to grind multiple batches if you're making coffee for more than 1 or 2 people. The build quality is decent for the price, but it doesn't feel as durable as some of the pricier options. This grinder is ideal for beginners or those who are just starting their coffee journey and don't want to invest too much upfront. While it's not the best for precision grinding or larger households, it's a no-frills option that gets the job done. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and versatility. On the downside, the small capacity and lack of grind consistency make it less suitable for advanced coffee enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the Black Decker One-Touch Coffee Grinder, priced at $20.17. This grinder is an excellent step up from the Amazon Basics model. With its 2/3 cup capacity and stainless steel blades, it's well-suited for small households or individuals who value simplicity. The one-touch push-button control makes grinding intuitive and allows you to customize the grind size to some extent, though it's not as precise as a burr grinder. Design-wise, it's compact and features a safety lid-locking mechanism to prevent spills and accidents. The build quality is solid for its price, and it can handle not just coffee beans, but also herbs and spices. However, since this is a blade grinder, it doesn't offer the same consistency as burr grinders, so you may notice some unevenness in your coffee grounds. This grinder is ideal for those who want an affordable, reliable option for quick grinding without too many bells and whistles. Pros include its user-friendly design, safety features, and versatility. However, the lack of grind consistency and limited capacity may be a drawback for more serious coffee drinkers. In the middle of our list, at number 3, is the Showdown Electric Burr Coffee Grinder, priced at $37.79. This grinder is a fantastic option for those who want more control over their grind settings without breaking the bank. Featuring 32 precision grind settings, it's capable of producing grounds suitable for everything from espresso to French press coffee. The flat burr design ensures uniform grinding, which is essential for a consistent brew. The design is compact yet functional, with an easy-to-clean removable upper burr and a handy chamber cleaning button. The 40-second adjustable timer is another standout feature, allowing you to customize your grind time to your specific needs. Build quality is excellent for its price range, and the grinder feels sturdy and well-designed. This is a great choice for coffee enthusiasts who are looking for an affordable entry point into burr grinders. Pros include its grind consistency, customizable settings, and user-friendly design. However, it's worth noting that it has a smaller capacity than some premium models, and the plastic components may not be as durable as the stainless steel parts found in higher-end grinders. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder, a highly rated burr grinder with an 18-position grind selector. This grinder offers a balance of performance and convenience, with features like a one-touch automatic grind function and an electric timer that shuts off the machine when the cycle is complete. The 8-ounce bean hopper and removable grind chamber make it easy to use and clean, while the heavy-duty motor ensures durability. The sleek stainless steel design is both attractive and functional, and the grinder is capable of producing grounds for a wide range of brewing styles, from ultra-fine espresso to extra-coarse French press. However, it's worth noting that this grinder has been discontinued, so availability may be limited. This grinder is perfect for households that need a versatile and reliable machine for daily use. Pros include its ease of use, wide grind range, and large capacity. On the downside, its slightly dated design and limited availability might make it harder to find than newer models. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Brew conical burr coffee grinder. At $71.24, this is the premium option on our list, and it's worth every penny. The durable 40mm stainless steel conical burrs deliver uniform grounds for exceptional flavor extraction, making it ideal for coffee enthusiasts who demand precision. With 15 grind settings, plus additional micro settings, this grinder is suitable for everything from espresso to cold brew. The design is sleek and modern, with an intuitive one-touch start timer that remembers your previous settings. The bean hopper holds up to 0.75 pounds of beans, and the anti-static grounds container can accommodate enough grounds for 12 cups of coffee. The overall build quality is excellent, and the grinder feels solid and reliable. This grinder is perfect for serious coffee lovers who want consistent results and a premium user experience. Pros include its grind consistency, durable components, and user-friendly design. The only downside is the higher price, but for the quality and features, it's an investment that pays off in the long run. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.